We have with us Dr. V. Venkataraman, Joint President, Global Sales and Marketing Head, Advanced Materials Business, Aditya Birla. So how do you see the consumer and the industry trend vis-a-vis respect to
Yeah, I think it's
chemical
very
industry?
clear if you look at it, each of the segment. If you look at it, coating segment today, I think the entire consumers, the customers are moving towards solvent-free. Then they moved into a kind of isolate, and then eventually then into waterborne. There are a lot of waterborne coatings happening in coating segment, and eventually people are looking at a green epoxy chemistry. So the green chemistry is the one which is gaining popularity because everyone wants to have a better bio index in their product. So green chemistry is the one, and so that's a major trend happening. But if you look at it, the composite side, I think people are looking at it recyclability. So what are we going to do at the end of the life cycle on the composites? Either it's in today's case, it's been either landfilled or incinerated. So how can we help the industry? So they are looking at recyclability as a part of it. So these are some of the trend. Even if you look at can coating, people are talking about BPA free coating when you talk about inside coating. So these are some of the trends that's happening in the market today. Yeah.
Since you are doing a lot in terms of advanced materials which are coming into the market, I wanted to know from you what's the role Aditya Birla is doing in terms of green epoxies and recyclable epoxies.
So as I said, technology is a DNA for business, right? So our CEOs come from a technology background, so we believe in adding value through technology. So what we are doing is trying to address these market trends with technology. One, I think the green epoxy, when you look at it, green chemistry part, we are looking at epoxy produced through kind of biopolymers or renewable energy. So that's what we are looking at it, number one. So for example, if you make epoxy out of propylene, it's coming from a fossil fuel, but instead if you make epoxy through epichlorohydrin, which is coming out from a glycerol route, that's a kind of bio source. So that's just going to increase the bio index of your epoxy almost by 21-22%. So we are working on those, using biopolymers to getting into biochemistry part. That's a major part of our business. And also the most important thing, I think we have recently have a path-breaking innovating technology called recyclamine, where in composite, using this particular technology, if a composite is made, that composite can be recycled. The thermoset becoming a thermoplastic, and the glass fiber and carbon fiber in a composite can be removed and can be reused. So this is truly a disruptive innovation what we have come out with the industry, and we are working with the leading partner and addressing a common industry problem. So we are proud of that part.
Sir, what are the new things which are coming up in terms of R&D and innovation that your company is doing?
So as I said, mostly it's all about looking into green epoxy. So one, I think the green part, sustainability part, a lot of work has been done. Second is high performance part. So when you look at high performance, chemical resistance, so two major focus: green and sustainability. Second is high performance polymers.
Sir, would you talk about the advanced materials group of Aditya Birla?
So advanced material business is part of Aditya Birla Chemical, which is a larger part of Aditya Birla Group. And we are the leading manufacturer of epoxy and its related chemistries. And I can say that we are the top 3 specialty epoxy producers in the world. And why only epoxy? We are also looking at different polymers. Basically, we are into the business of solving customers' problem. That's where. And looking into our capability, we do have 3 manufacturing plant. It's truly a global business. One in Thailand, that's our mother plant. And then we have a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in India. And then we also have a manufacturing facility in Germany. So 3 manufacturing facilities and also 3 global R&D centers where, the technology is backbone of our business. That's a DNA. So we have a state-of-the-art R&D center in India and Thailand and Germany, catering some of this center of excellence to different applications. So that's where we are globally.